Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Ford F-150 interior lights not working issue and the likely reasons behind it. This video discusses common issues reported by Ford owners and potential causes. This information is for general awareness and may not apply to every vehicle. Always consult a certified mechanic or dealership for specific concerns. Interior lights not working in the Ford F-150 are commonly described as dome lights, map lights, or courtesy lights failing to turn on when doors are opened, not responding to switches, or working intermittently. Verified owner reports and service information show that interior lighting concerns have been reported across multiple Ford F-150 model years and generations, with causes varying based on electrical design, control modules, and vehicle usage. One verified and frequently reported cause involves blown fuses or circuit protection issues. Interior lighting circuits are protected by fuses, and a blown fuse can disable multiple interior lights at once. Another confirmed cause relates to door switch or door ajar sensor behavior. These sensors signal the body control system to activate interior lights when doors open. Faulty sensors or misalignment can prevent the lights from turning on as expected. Body control module-related issues are also documented factors. Since the body control module manages interior lighting logic, software glitches, internal faults, or communication issues within the module can affect light operation. Wiring and ground connection problems have also been reported. Loose connectors, damaged wiring, or poor grounding can interrupt power delivery to interior light assemblies, leading to intermittent or complete failure. Interior light switch or dimmer control issues are another verified consideration. Malfunctioning dimmer wheels or switches may prevent lights from activating or cause them to remain off despite normal door operation. Other potential contributing factors, which are not confirmed in every case, may include low battery voltage, recent battery disconnection affecting lighting behavior, or aftermarket electrical modifications. These should be treated strictly as possibilities and confirmed through proper diagnostic testing. Common solutions reported by technicians and owners include checking and replacing fuses, testing door ajar sensors, inspecting wiring and grounds, scanning the body control module for fault codes, and verifying interior light switch operation. Repairs depend on accurate diagnosis and vehicle-specific conditions. Owner feedback trends indicate that many Ford F-150 interior light issues are resolved through fuse replacement, sensor correction, or minor electrical repairs rather than control module replacement. However, experiences vary by model year and electrical configuration. In conclusion, Ford F-150 interior lights not working is typically linked to fuse issues, door sensor faults, body control module behavior, or wiring problems. The exact cause differs by vehicle, generation, and model year, making professional diagnosis essential. If you don't understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. If you have any copyright concerns or inquiries, refer to description for email.